Hello, friends. I am Dr. Paus Paulos. I just want to talk a few words about the role of nutrition in boosting immunity of the body. Nutrients are one of the key factors that affect the immune system function. Some micronutrients and dietary compounds have very specific role in the development and maintenance of a effective immune system. Balanced nutrition, especially in terms of adequate vitamin, minerals, and protein, and intake enhances the resistance against infections. Now I will specify some of the major food and nutrients to boost your immune system. If we take the proteins make up the framework of body defense system. Protein deficiency on immunity is linked with amino acid. Deficiency is essential in essential amino acid can cause the repression of the immune system. Excessive strain, trauma, etc. can cause protein destruction. Thereby, body resistance is impaired. The meat, fish, egg, dairy products, nuts and seed, legumes and beans are the richest source of proteins. Next thing is fat. These are very important energy source. Fatty acids are powerful modulations of immune response. It's very necessary for our body. Diet containing high amount of fat can also decrease cellular inflammatory activity. It is well known that the omega-3 fatty acid lower the inflammatory reaction. High fatty foods such as seed, peanuts, meat and egg are very essential for our body immune system. If you take the vitamins, deficiency of vitamins causes the repression in production of immune cells and cause malfunction. It is thought that the riboflavin, vitamin B6, B12, folic acid are effective in immune system and play an important role in DNA and RNA synthesis. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells and protects the body against the infection. Citrus fruit, mango, kiwi, sweet potato are very rich in vitamin C. Vitamin A have an anti-inflammatory effect. It is mostly available in egg, yolk, milk, fat, liver, orange, yellow vegetables, etc. Next is vitamin E. It's a fat-soluble antioxidant. It has antioxidant properties. It stimulates the action of white blood cells and help them to destroy microbes and foreign cells, and enhances the body resistance against infection. Next is trace elements like selenium. It is needed for our immune system. Its deficiency causes serious diseases. It's an antioxidant. Food enriched with selenium are seafoods, dairy products, cereals, whole grains, etc. Zinc is another important mineral which stimulates the immune system. The deficiency of zinc can impair the immune system. It's mainly available in oyster, mushroom, legumes, egg, etc. The main antioxidant that is needed for the repair of our body and to protect our body from free radicals are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. These are the powerful antioxidants. Beta carotene is also an antioxidant. It is available in carrot, mango, pumpkin, spinach, etc. And now I'm going to uh, go into a conclusion of my thoughts. The nutrients that I have mentioned helps the immune system in several ways, like antioxidant to protect healthy cells, producing antibodies, supporting the growth and activity of immune cells, and also several other activities. These nutrients, healthy diet, nourishing diet, plays a major role in boosting immunity. So always have a healthy diet in your life. It will always help to boost your immunity and immune system. Thank you. Hope this information will help you.